Been a rough offseason for Troy men's basketball, with 4 of the 5 starters from their Sun Belt Championship 2024 squad transferring out to other programs. The one who remains, Dothan native Thomas Dowd. He says he's ready to take on the hefty leadership role. Dowd finished Sun Belt play as hot as anyone across the league with a stellar performance in the tournament, landing him all tournament team honors. So with all the other starters moving on, what kept Dowd in a Troy uniform?
I've been here 2 years. I'm about to go into a season where it's looking like I could take a big step and a big leadership role. Play a lot of minutes here, to play a ton of basketball. The people, the fans, I have a great relationship with them. I'm close to home. Something Coach Cross has told me is, why leave grass that's already green?
And of course, with 4 new starting spots opened up, Dowd won't be the only Trojan embracing a new role.
It's almost like everyone is having to take a bigger step into a new role. Just collectively, we lost 4 starters, so all the returners are having to step up into a new role. But just the character and the work ethic of everyone we have coming back, I don't think we'll skip a beat. They're guys that you trust and they're going to work their butt off, and that you have confidence in that we can get back to where we were.
The last time we saw the Trojans in action was a game Dowd may not like to remember, shooting 0 for 7 in a first-round NCAA tournament loss to Kentucky. But Dowd says he's turned that frustration into fuel.
That game, I think about that all the time still. In the moment, that game was really kind of sore subject for me. I had a really tough time trying to get over it, but then I realized, all right, I got to move on. How am I going to learn from it? How am I going to get better? And it's been a really good fire in my belly to keep wanting to get back to that point. Show the world, not only that I'm better than that, but that I feel like this team can win a game. I feel like we have guys that could go down as like the first Troy team to win a March Madness game. So